Hello everyone, myself Ansh and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel A New Sunrise. Hope you're well and fine. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss chapter number 1 of Geography of class 9th. That is India, Size and Location. I'm going to explain you the chapter and also going to give you the notes through all my slides. And at last, I'm going to give you the book solutions of the chapter. So, let's start the chapter. First of all, before starting the chapter, let us see what are the topics that we're gonna cover in this particular video. First topic that we'll cover is achievements of India. Second is the India location. Third, India size. Fourth, we will learn about standard meridian of India. The fifth topic is India and the world. The sixth topic is neighboring countries of India, and this is the last topic. And then after we will go for the book solutions. So let us start the chapter. Our first topic is India achievements. See, India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. India has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last five decades. It has been written wrong, last 5 years, not last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying a remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to making of world history. Now let us proceed to our next topic, that is India location. See, India is a vast country. Lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, divides the country into almost 2 equal parts. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. In the southeast lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal, and in the southwest of the mainland lies the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. India size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Young-Fold Mountains in the northwest. In the northwest, India is bounded by the Young-Fold Mountains. Northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into 2 seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. The 7 largest countries of the world. First one, the leading country is Russia. In area, Russia is 17. Russia covers 17.09 kilometers of the total Earth's geographical surface. Then comes the Canada. Then after is the USA. Then the China. Then after the Brazil. Then Australia. Then our very dear India, which covers 3.28% of the total Earth's surface. Standard meridian of India. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, 80 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent it influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from the south to the north. India, extent and standard meridian. India in the world. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. It means that the India is centrally located between the East Asia and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. It extends the Asian continent towards the south. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia. India and the world. Africa and Europe from the western coast and west, southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contact with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans have restricted such interaction for a long time. These routes, means those passes, have contributed in the exchange of ideas, commodities since ancient times. The idea of Upanishads and the Ramayana, the story of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system, thus could reach many parts of the world just because of these routes. India and its neighboring countries. Neighboring countries of India. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India share its land boundaries, means the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. In the northwest direction, India share its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan. And in the north, it shares its boundary with China or Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan. And in the east, the neighboring countries are Myanmar and Bangladesh. But certain neighboring countries across the sea, there are some neighboring countries which are across the sea towards the south, and they are namely the 2 island countries that are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of a sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had a strong geographical and historic her neighbors. Now, it's time to start the section of book solutions. I'm going to provide you the solution of the book NCERT book exercises. Let's start with it. Choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which among the following states? So, Rajasthan. First option is the Rajasthan. Second one is the Odisha. Odisha, third is the Chhattisgarh, and fourth is the Tripura. And among these alternatives, the second one is correct. Odisha does not share. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Odisha. Now, let us go towards our next topic. Next question, that is the easternmost longitude of India is. First option is given 97 degree 25 minutes east. Second is the 68 degree 7 minutes east. The third option is the 77 degree 6 minutes east, and the last option is 82 degree 32 minutes east. So among these alternatives, the first one is the correct. The easternmost longitude of India is in degrees is 97 degree 25 minutes east. So this one is the correct answer. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and the Sikkim have common frontiers with. Option A is China, the next one is the Bhutan, the next option is the Nepal, and the last option is the Myanmar. So among these alternatives, among these options, the third option is correct. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with Nepal. So this is the correct answer. Now, our next question is, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. We have to identify the country. First one is the Bhutan. Bhutan shares land boundary with India on the north. Next is the Bangladesh. Bangladesh also share land boundary with India in the east. C is the Tajikistan, and Tajikistan does not share land boundary with India. And the last option is the Nepal. Nepal also shares land boundary with India in the north. So the correct answer among these alternatives is the third one, Tajikistan. Tajikistan is the correct answer. Tajikistan does not share land boundary with India. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. India lies in the northern hemisphere with the mainland extending between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts, where the Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea to the southwest of the mainland, and the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal to the southeast of the mainland. Our question was, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. So the correct answer would be the Lakshadweep Islands. Next question is, name the countries which are larger than India. So there are 6 countries which are larger than India in area, in geographical area. The countries which are larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Russia is the largest of all countries with an area of 17.09 million square kilometers, while India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. Now, our next question is, which island group of India lies to its southeast? The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the India in the Bay of Bengal. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km. The total length of the coastline, including the islands of Andaman and the Nicobar Islands as well as the Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. Our next question is, which island country are our southern neighbors? So there are 2 namely island countries. One is the Sri Lanka and second one is the Maldives. Now let us give the answer of this question in brief. The island countries that are our southern neighbors are Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands, whereas Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So this was the answer of this question. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India is about 30 degrees. The east-west extent is smaller than the north-south extent. There is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. As Arunachal Pradesh lies to the eastern side of the India, the sun rises here earlier when compared to Gujarat. The time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degrees 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from the south to north. Therefore, the watches show the same time in all the parts of the country. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? India is a southward extension of ancient continent and is located in a central position between the East and the West Asia. The Indian Ocean provides a strategic central location to India as it connects to the East Asian countries with the country of Europe in the west. The Deccan Peninsula also protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. There is no other country like India in the world which has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean and thus justifying the naming of an ocean after it. Now, let us proceed to one more question, that is, name the following. First is, the island groups of India lying in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal is. So there are two island groups of India lying in the Arabian Sea. One is lie in the Arabian Sea and the other in Bay of Bengal. In the Arabian Sea there is Lakshadweep, and in the Bay of Bengal there is the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. The states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes are. This we have to always learn, that we have to learn the name of states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. First is the Gujarat, second is Rajasthan, third is Andhra Pradesh, fourth is the Chhattisgarh, fifth is Jharkhand, sixth is West Bengal, seventh is Tripura, and the eighth is Mizoram. The northmost latitude in degrees, 37 degrees 6 minutes north. The southernmost latitude of India mainland in degrees, 8 degrees 4 minutes north. The eastern and the westernmost longitude in degrees, 68 degrees 7 minutes east and the 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The state separating Sri Lanka from India. The answer would be Pak State. Pak State is the state which separates Sri Lanka from India. Now the Union Territories of India. Presently there are 8 Union Territories of India. First one is the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Second is Chandigarh. Third one is the Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Fourth one is the government of NCT of Delhi. Fifth is Jammu and Kashmir. Sixth is the Ladakh. Seventh is the Lakshadweep. And the eighth, or you can say the last Union Territory of India, is the Puducherry. So these were the 8 Union Territories of India. Now, we have completed chapter number 1 of geography. In my next video, we will go through other chapters also. Hope you liked our video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any latest updates from our channel. Comment if you have any feedback, or else you can also comment if you have any doubt related to chapter. Here is Ansh signing up for the day. Bye bye.